This video shows how to buy shares of Connect SA, listed on Euronext under the ticker ALWEC.PA, and gives a concise overview of the company and its sector. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ALWEC.PA to find the Connect SA listing, then make sure you select the correct result that trades on Euronext. On the asset page, check the basic company profile and the price chart to confirm details, ensuring the listing matches Connect SA and the LWEC.PA ticker before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order summary, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. If there are not enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order is completed. Your open position will appear in your portfolio once executed, and you can manage it from there. Find the eToro link in the video description if you want to follow the same example.